Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umentri rangba ka jilla konrat ki sangma ne kasni palei ulapli pait ba ek North East Fruit Wine Incubation Center ka jaka bayarap ikinong seng kam bakin pinwan durba yaki kam bakiseng ha IHM campus maudiang diang. Ya kini kerja kala pli ha kerjanya don lang ke menteri ketenat kamrem kong emperin lingdo bat menteri ketenat excise ba kermen shilla. Ha bakran ha kerjanya lang menteri rang ba ulo ong kerjing pli ya kini ke fruit wine incubation bayasno bat ka kam jengok kai bat kamrem kan yarap ha ki porban wan ha ke ban kentiu ya kinong seng kam bat kerjing pen khai ya ke yok kam yok jam. Ulo ong ba ke center ka don ya kalat kelenti ban pli ya ki jing seng kam babun ba kibom pat don batray hadu menta. Ngidon ka jingen bagadey bandon ka rukom trekam ka badey ka policy ka badey ka jing ay jing kershan ka badey bat kalat ka ban pli lenti yakinong shna wine nala jilla bakin kiustad hala ka jilla. Kaban sa plipan ya shibun kilat kilenti ki badon na ka benta kipat nong rep jangi ulaong. Ulaong ru bagani ka incubation center kan wanra ya shibun ki jing kala ha ka jing em jangi ki briu.
Producers Association and the Fruit Wine Ambassador for Meghalaya. And more importantly, she and her husband and their team of winemakers are not only the trainers and mentors of our winemakers.
And it affects much more than simply the people who are making the wine. And hence this has a potential to really, this has the capability to, or the potential to unlock a huge capacity that is just lying, dormant, I should say. And that is the reason why when we saw all of this, we were convinced that there has to be a proper system, a proper policy, a proper framework, a proper support structure, a proper ecosystem that is going to allow the local fruit winemakers to really flourish in our state, which would then unlock the potentials that are there for agriculture, for farmers, for tourists, for entrepreneurs, so on and so forth. So that's what went into all of this. And let me just tell you and share with you that this building that you're seeing and the structure you're seeing in front of us didn't happen just like that. There's a lot of work that has gone into it, a lot of thought process, and a lot of energy by some really, really great people.